Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see dictionary data type, which is a binding type data type under the collection category. So what is dictionary? So dictionary, it is a collection of unordered, changeable and indexed element with a key value pair. So we are going to see first how we can create a dictionary. So using the curly brackets, and inside that using the colon, separating the key and value. So this is the general syntax of creating dictionary, and when we check the type of this variable, we can see the class of this variable is dictionary. So this is the simplest way to create a dictionary. Then we are going to see the functions associated with the dictionary. So the first function is a len, which is used to calculate the number of keys present in the dictionary. So here we can see there are 2 keys present, so the result is 2. Then we have a any function, which is used when you want to check all the keys of a dictionary are having some values or not empty. Here we can see the result of first any is true because all the keys are true, they are holding some values and they are not empty. Then in the second we can see when we use any on this particular dictionary, here we can see the key is either false, or if the key is empty, at that time we'll get the result false of any function. Similarly, we have all function, which is used to check whether all the keys of a dictionary are true or false or empty. So when we see the first result of all, we got the result true because all these keys are true, they are holding some values. But in the second all, when we see the first is true but the second key is empty, so it gives you a result of false because all the keys of this dictionary are not true. And the last function is sorted, which is used to sort the dictionary based on the key. As a result, we can see this one key is on the first location and this 2 key is on the second location. So these are all the functions associated with dictionary. Next, we are going to see the methods associated with the dictionary. So the first method is keys, which gives you all keys from that dictionary. So here we can see this is a syntax and we get the result as all the keys of that dictionary. Similarly, we can find all the values from the dictionary. This is the syntax to return all the values present in the dictionary. And in the similar fashion, if we want a key value pair present in the dictionary, then we can use items to get the key value pair present in the dictionary, and this is the syntax. Then we have a clear method, which is used to empty a dictionary. So when we use the clear and then we print the same dictionary and we can see the results are empty, so it is used to clear or empty the dictionary. Then we have a get method, which is used to find the value by specifying key. So here the syntax, when we specify the 1 as a key, it gives you the value associated with that key. Then we have a copy method, which is same as we use on the list. So what it does, it copies the content and it creates a separate memory location. Then we have from keys method, which is used to create a dictionary from a sequence and with a default values or specified values. And here the first sequence is the keys and the second sequence or the second number is the values. Then we have pop method, which is used to remove a key value pair from a dictionary. We need to specify just a key. So as a result, we can see that key is removed from the dictionary. Then the next method is a pop item, which is used to remove the last element present in the dictionary. So here as a result, we can see previously there are 2 keys are present, 1 and 2, but at the last only 1 key is present, which is a 2. Then we have set default method, which is used to return the value after specifying key. If that key is not present, then we need to specify the values associated with that key, then it will be added to your dictionary. Here we can see at the first we say model and then Bronco, and as a result we can see model was present and we got the values associated with that key as a result. But when the key is not present in the dictionary, at that it creates one key and the value associated with that, as we specified here, Bronco, it is added. And then the last method is update, which is used to update the dictionary with a new dictionary. So if the second dictionary's key are present in the first dictionary, then it will be replaced with the values of a second dictionary. So here you can see 1 is not present in the second, that's why it is not changed. But this 2 key is present in the first dictionary as well. So the second dictionary's value is replaced in the first one. And as a result, you can see 2:4. And here you can see the 3 key is not present in the first, that's why it is added in the first dictionary. So that is the update. So these are all the methods present on the dictionary. Thank you everyone.